In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to test Shopify payments and your checkout process safely without using real money. We'll explore a couple of options available to make sure your payment system is working as expected. This guide will help you simulate transactions and ensure your customers have a seamless experience when it's time to make real purchases. First, let's talk about enabling Shopify Payments Test Mode. This feature is an excellent way for you to simulate transactions without involving real funds. To get started, you'll want to navigate to your Shopify admin and click on Settings, then move to Payments. Here, in the Shopify Payments section, you'll see a button labeled Manage. Click that. You'll find a segment marked Test Mode. This is where you enable Test Mode. Finally, make sure to save your changes. With Test Mode activated, you have the freedom to conduct checks and ensure everything works flawlessly. Now that Test Mode is on, you can use Shopify's test card numbers. These are essentially fictitious card numbers you can enter at checkout to experience both successful and failed transactions. Here are some examples for successful transactions. If you're testing with a Visa card, you'll use 4242, 4242, 4242, 4242. For MasterCard, the number is 5555 5555 5555 4444. An American Express test can be done with 3782 8263 1005. And for Discover, use 6011 1111 1111 11117. Meanwhile, if you're aiming to test failure or error states, Shopify provides special numbers for that too. For a card decline scenario, enter 4000000002. If you want to see what happens with an incorrect number, use 4242 4242 4242 4241. To simulate a dispute or chargeback situation, you can use 4000000259. In all these test cases, ensure that the expiration date you use is set in the future and make sure to enter any valid CVC, along with a cardholder name. Alternatively, if you're unable to use Shopify payments or if you're searching for a simpler testing method, consider the bogus gateway. This alternative allows you to simulate transactions effortlessly. Start by heading to Settings, then Payments. Deactivate any active credit card gateways you have. Next, under the Other Providers or Third-Party Provider section, locate the bogus gateway and activate it. When using the bogus gateway, you'll have different numbers to test with. For a successful transaction, use 1 as the card number. To witness a failed transaction, enter 2. For an error exception, 3 will be your number. It's straightforward and effective for testing different checkout scenarios. Don't forget, after you've finished testing, to deactivate the bogus gateway. This step ensures that your real customers won't be impacted when they make their purchases. And that's it. You're now equipped to test Shopify payments safely without risking any of your hard-earned money. This robust testing allows you to identify potential issues, ensuring the smoothest possible experience for your customers.